Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, the sun got eclipsed in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led the people in the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up for a long time. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam bowed for a long time. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam arose and stood for a long time, but it was comparatively shorter than the first standing. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam bowed for a long time, and it was shorter than the previous bowing. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam prostrated himself for a long time. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did the same in the second unit as he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had done in the first unit. Thereafter, when he completed the prayer, the sun had become bright. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressed the people and praised and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and then said, verily, the sun and the moon are two of Allah's sign, which do not get eclipsed on account of anybody's death or birth. When you see it, supplicate to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pronounce takbeer, perform prayer, and give alms. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam followers, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, no one is more indignant than Allah Jalla Jalaluhu when his bondman or maid commits fornication. O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam followers, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if you had known what I know, you would have laughed little and wept much. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1044.